Welcome to day 9 of my 𝙂𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 weight loss test. So this is 9 days since I started this program, weight loss program. Waist is 27, so I've decreased about an inch in my waist in 9 days. Hips are 37.25, so that's almost an inch slimmer than when I started 9 days ago. Hips are 21, so down by about 1/4. I jogged for 25 minutes last night, 25 minutes straight, so that's the highest time I've gone jogging since I started this. And when I began, just 5 minutes was a very hard struggle for me. I was forcing myself to finish just 5 minutes, panting with my mouth hanging open, and now jogging 25 minutes straight last night. I was just breathing normally and my mouth was closed, so that my endurance has come a long way. And I'm not recording speed or distance right now, I'm just measuring length of time that I can go without stopping so far. When I get more experience with running, then I'll start measuring speed and more specific data like that. So the scale says 132.4, so I'm still hovering around 132, but my body is continuing to slim down, so I'm doing something right. Again, it's all about how much you've eaten that day, and if you've eaten a lot or a little, the weight is going to fluctuate a little bit. So, still eating lots of fruit, and again, I switched from a raw vegan diet to a raw fruitarian diet a few days ago. So I'm no longer eating vegetables, leafy greens and vegetables. I'm only eating fruit and fruit seeds. And it's worked out really fine. I'm not feeling fatigued or like I have a lack of energy. I feel great. And I'm going to keep going until I should hopefully reach 129 soon. That's what I'm really looking forward to right now. 129. Out of the 130s. That'll be a big milestone. So I'm feeling good. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.